What's going on, you guys? Big Zin, this one from Bengali, and I hope everyone's doing well and enjoying the World Cup. I've been very busy watching the World Cup, making videos about it on my other channel. So, in case you guys don't know about the other channel, check it out, okay? So, some of you might want to know what World Cup means in Bangla. It's pretty simple. World is Bisho, and Cup basically stays the same in Bangla, so it's Cup. Even though we can call it as Peala, but no one calls it Bisho Peala, right? Everyone is like, yeah, it's Bisho Cup. Bishop is on, okay? Or Bishop চলতেছে, all those things. I'm not gonna go over all those many terms in this video, just Bishop Cup, and then I'm gonna end it. Okay, so it's gonna be a little cute little video. Let's go. So here we have Bishop Cup or World Cup. Notice that World Cup is separate here in English, but Bishop Cup is all together. So Bishop is world, and Cup is cup, basically. Okay? So you got Borshika B, তালিম পাশে সংযুক্ত ব, বিশ্ব, কয়েকটা কা, প, cup. বিশ্বকাপ once again বড় শিকার বি তালিম পাশে সংযুক্ত ব কয়েকা কা প বিশ্বকাপ world cup. So world cup is বিশ্বকাপ in Bangla. Pretty simple. Try to understand it, try to say it everywhere, because Bangladeshi people are wild about world cup, especially when it comes to Messi, Argentina, and Neymar or Brazil. Brazil is out. Argentina is in the semi-final. They're going to play Croatia on Tuesday, I think, or Wednesday, I don't even remember, but it's all exciting stuff. Watch the World Cup, and in the meantime, I'll try to put another video up before the World Cup ends. So with that being said, thank you very much for watching my videos, and do not forget to subscribe. Big Z out.